Charlie, I forget your parking.
And if you had a fire here, what would you do? Engine fire.
Engine fire, that's a tough one.
What does it say? What does your checklist say?
Yeah, the checklist actually says engine fire, mixture full link,
Okay.
and fuel selector off, master switch off, cabin heat and air vents off.
Perfect.
Increase the airspeed to actually just extinguish the fire, but if you're low,
Yeah, you still have to do it.
you'll have to do it. Okay.
Yeah, because you want to get rid of the fire, right?
Okay.
So you do an emergency descent. Basically, you go, carb heat on, my controls.
Okay, you'll
Put the nose down.
Yeah.
And then
just fire off.
I just get some airspeed, right?
Okay, yeah.
But that's going to be for your check ride. You're going to have to do that.
Okay.
Okay, so your controls level off at 1500 controls. And yeah, let's just turn around that water tank.
Okay.
Try to maintain 1500.
Alright.
856, I'm going to call it between your 10 and 11 o'clock now, 2,000 feet and a mile and a half.
Still looking for traffic, Bay Flight 6.
856, yeah, hold that out.
Give yourself a little bit more power
before you descend. Looks like
so that you're not like in a pattern, like 2000 to 2100 RPM.
Bay Flight 6, 12 o'clock, less than a mile, 2,000.
We have traffic inside Bay Flight 6.
Bay Flight 6, thank you very much. Runway 30, you're clear to land.
So when you're flying downwind,
Runway 30, Bay Flight
should you be using a faster airspeed or, I'm sorry, sorry. When you're flying downwind or turning downwind, should you use a steeper bank or shallower bank?
The steeper.
Okay. Why is that again?
Because on the downwind, the wing is actually pushing us out.
Okay.
So we have to do a steeper turn to compensate that pushback.
Yeah, your ground speed is actually faster.
Yes.
Now look at all those people going to Half Moon Bay.
Yeah.
I should have a service to take them there and back, huh?
Yeah, you should actually.
Or we need one of those Uber helicopters.
Yeah.
Self-manned or unmanned. Just keep dividing your attention outside, inside.
Yeah.
Looking for traffic, all that good stuff. Alright, I'm good with this. You can just kind of keep going this heading here. And whenever you're ready, let's go back to San Carlos.
Okay. So we have, we go through wired, we check the weather, instruments, let me just check my
I like that.
instruments.
Wired,
It is, yeah, the heading indicator is aligned with magnetic compass and wire's radio, so let me call tower. San Carlos Tower 95606 over Crystal Spring, 1,600 inbound, full stop with information Lima.
Cessna 95606, San Carlos Tower, cross midfield 1,200, and enter right downwind runway 30.
Cross midfield at or above 1,200, then right downwind, runway 30, 95606.
San Carlos Tower information, Mike, winds variable at 3, altimeter 3021.
3021.
Okay.
That is set.
And what's the E and the E in wired?
En route briefing, which I did basically Crystal Spring arrival, and it was at or above 1,200 across the midfield and then join downwind.
What's the D?
D is descent. So we go through descent checklist. which is mixture region, fuel on, carpet as required. We checked ADIS and AWOS, altimeter set, and instrument. I checked the heading indicator and magnetic compass when we were cruising, and they are aligned. That is, the descent checklist is complete.
Do the pre-landing checklist now, or do you have to wait?
I can do it now. So brakes are, I have pressure on my brakes, and let me just reduce power to descent. And landing lights on, pulsating off, mixture full reach, best power, and carpet on, fuel on, and flaps as required as per landing checklist.
Right. When do you do the landing checklist?
On the pattern, in the pattern, or on the final.
Very good.
Ramp, Flight 6, have a good day.
I would do it on the final.
Yeah, because
when you're fully configured,
yeah,
right?
it just flaps 30 and it's speed 60.
It's not really like. And what's the gumps check?
Gumps is actually gas and undercarriage, which is gear. Is
Cessna 606, runway 30, clear to land.
30 clear to land, 95606, thank you. So that is prop or pumps, and F is flaps and S is switches.
And what's M?
M is mixture.
Okay, good. And Tower 606, request to stay in the pattern.
606, runway 30, cleared for the option.
Clear for the option, 6066.
Speed 65, power. Power to idle, idle off.
Very nice. We'll turn left at Delta.
Cessna 606, runway 30, taxi back via Kilo.
Taxi back via Kilo, 95606. Yes.
Cessna 606, right close traffic approved, runway 30, clear for takeoff.
Right close traffic approved, runway 30 clear for takeoff, 95606. And light camera action. Final is clear. That's our heading 30, hills on the floor, full power. Gauges are green, airspeed is coming alive. 40, 50, rotate.
Cessna 606, runway 30, cleared for the option.
Runway 30, clear for the option, 95606.
Wait 30, stay on the right.
Okay, final landing checklist, flaps full and speed 60.
You can't pick the ATIS up?
Let me just...
Show me a forward slip to landing.
Forward a slip to landing. Hard to idle.
Hit broadcasting approximately, yep, skipping kind of.
No problem. I got my guy working on it right now.
And recover.
The wind 350 at 6, altimeter 3020.
Hard to idle. Still off.
Back up, keep pulling that back pressure. Nice job, nice job. Turn left at Echo.
Set 606, runway 30, taxi back via Kilo.
Taxi back via Kilo, runway 30, 95606.
Set 606, thank you for your patience. I don't know if you had a choice though. Runway 30, clear for takeoff.
Runway 30, clear for takeoff. Thank you, 95606. Final is clear.
Okay.
Cessna 085, traffic directly over the top of the field here, 1,300 feet to Grumman Tiger, heading northbound.
Okay, inside 085 and leveling now.
Alright, heading 30, still on the floor, full power.
Downwind, 800 feet, Cessna.
Gauges are green, airspeed is coming alive, that is 40.
You're on your own then, pre-exchange approved, have fun.
Thank you, sir.
And 50, rotate.
And tower 95606, short approach.
606 approved.
Thank you, sir.
Right, aim for C. Turn faster.
You know how to swim?
I don't know.
I hope so.
No, I don't know how to swim either.
Oh, you don't?
I don't. I was a swimmer once, but I had a drowning.
Oh no.
Yeah.
Oh, sorry, man.
Okay. So I'm not gonna make it.
All right. Let's go around.
Well,
I'm a VY. Okay, so what was your mistake there?
I turned too late.
Too late, yeah. So on this next one, try this. 10 degrees of flaps. Right away.
Okay.
Like, carb heat on. Pitch, 10 degrees of flaps. Then count to about 4. 1001, 1002, 1003, 1004, and then turn.
Yeah. I got into talking and I just forgot that I'm gonna land.
Yeah, no, you went way too ahead. Any chance for an early turnout for the downwind and another short approach? 95606.
606, sure, there's always a chance. I'm in a good mood right now.
All right, you gotta let us know when you're working. We're just gonna fly when you're here.
Jet 606, you can make that turn now, runway 30, cleared for the option.
30 clear for the option, short approach 95606. You can reduce power a little bit. this so we don't annoy everybody.
Yeah.
2,100 RPM.
Fuel on, carpet, yeah, I have.
Alright, short approach.
Okay, carpet on, and should I do 10 degrees? Okay.
Okay, just wait.
Go for 6.
2001, 2002, 2003, 2004. Now you should be turning. Okay? Because you can always slip it, and you don't want to aim at the beginning of the runway. You want to aim like a third of the runway down. When you have the runway made, full flaps. Do you think you can make it now?
Yes.
Put full flaps.
I can make it, yes. Let's go full flaps.
Full flaps. Now do a flip to the left. So you're turning this way, so left rudder, aileron. Just keep slipping it as needed. See that?
Yeah.
Good, now you come out of it. Let me see you hold that back pressure. Don't let that nose drop. Look at the end of that runway. Back pressure, back pressure, back pressure.
Tower,
Good.
5064 kilo.
Much better.
Request transition, San Carlos class Delta.
Hey man, I'm satisfied.
Thank you.
Nice work.
Chevy 5064.
Want to keep flying, or are you okay?
Cross midfield.
One more?
200.
Let's do one more.
One more normal landing?
Yes.
Okay.
Cross midfield, 1,200, 64 kilo.
Set 606, now what?
We're gonna do another one. Just one more and then we should be done. 95606.
Set 606, runway 30, taxi back via kilo.
Taxi back via kilo 95606, runway 30.
He's very casual. Now what? Alright. I don't know. You got any turkey left over?
Cessna 95606, right close traffic, runway 30, clear for takeoff.
Right close traffic, runway 30, clear for takeoff 95606. This camera in action. Final is. Runway heading 0, wheels on the floor, full power. Gauges are green, and airspeed is coming alive. That is 45 and 50 rotate.
Set 606, runway 30, clear for the option.
Runway 30 clear for the option. This is the last one, 95606. Thank you for your help.
No issues. Skyline 661, widen out to your left a little before you start your turn for Woodside. You know what, disregard traffic.
Hard oil, low low.
Skyline 661.
Oh, now you're showing off. Yeah.
95 traffic on the downwind, just north of the
Sounds
field.
good.
Cessna at 1,200 feet. Set 606, taxi to parking. Have a good day.
Taxi to parking. Delta Lima, have a good day, 98566.
That was a squeaker.
Yeah, that was, I guess, the best landing that I ever had.
Cessna traffic, 12 o'clock, mile and a half, 1,400 feet.
Oh, you relaxed, you know?
Yeah.
You could have even had a little bit more nose up.
Yeah.
You know, so with the nose, see how right now the nose is like this much from the horizon?
Yes.
You want to bring the nose up so it's basically touching the horizon when you touch.
65.
You're landing, the airplane should be doing a power off stall.
Yes.
So, you know, think of it that way. But that was really good landing.
Thank you.